Now I remember you and me.
First, use a pry bar to remove the key control panel. Use a 7mm socket wrench to remove the fixing screws of the in-vehicle screen. Use a pry bar to remove the protective cover of the central control screen. Remove the fixing screws around the in-vehicle screen. Take out the in-vehicle screen and unplug the flat cable from the main unit. Remove the fixing screws of the car's dashboard trim panel. Pry open the dashboard trim panel with a pry bar. Remove the fixing screws of the dashboard trim panel with a socket wrench. Then remove the dashboard panel with a pry bar. Then remove the fixing screws of the passenger side trim panel with a socket wrench. Pry off the fixing screw cover of the front passenger armrest with a pry bar. Remove the armrest fixing screws with a socket wrench. Remove the front passenger glove box. Remove the panel fixing screws above the glove box with a socket wrench. Remove the front passenger side trim panel. Jeep Wrangler models 2018 to 2023. Youducar 15-inch HD large screen for.
I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could.
Take out the product wiring harness and thread and organize the wires. Thread the 4 grams antenna and GPS antenna through from the side. Pass the multi-audio adapter cable and card slot cable through from the glove box to the central control screen. Remove the fixing screws of the air outlet. Install the Youducar air conditioning adapter air outlet and tighten the fixing screws.
Late nights, long fights.
Remove the front passenger air outlet.
We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud.
Install the front passenger trim panel back in place. Install the panel fixing screws.
Weekdays, we'd spend our own way.
Refit the side trim panel on the front passenger side. Install the fixing screws.
We love to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive.
Buckle the trim panel strip back into place and reinstall the glove box. Reinstall the armrest. Translate the harness equipped with Youducar and the original car harness. Insert the power cord. Insert the protocol box. Insert the tweeter and affix it inside the center console. Connect the provided wiring harness to the corresponding interfaces of the Youducar head unit.
It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless.
Remove the original air outlet and install it onto the Youducar air outlet conversion bracket.
And how careless we could be.
Install the Youducar air outlet conversion bracket onto the vehicle. Secure it with the fixing screws. Reinstall the instrument trim panel and secure it with the fixing screws. Install the Youducar 15-inch screen and secure it with the fixing screws. Reinstall the vehicle ignition key panel. Function demonstration.
And how careless we could